What's up, idiots? I know a lot of you have been asking me to do a how to throw out the trash video, so I'm gonna break it down in 2 easy steps. Step 2. Step 1. You're gonna want to make sure your trash is full before you throw it out. This one is almost there. I think this one has about 4 more days before we throw it out, so
4 to 6 more days later.
Day 4. I said close up, dude. You're getting way too freaking close to my face. Don't be a stupid Come on. You know what? Give me this. People are mean. Now's the time. Time to throw out the trash. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, this is the gross part. You want to you stick your hands into the trash to feel the temperature. If it's too hot, you're going to more than likely bust the bag. So you want to like wait till it's a nice cool temperature to be able to grab the bag and hoist it up towards you in a quick motion like this. Right now it's pretty cool, so we'll go ahead and so you're gonna grab the bag from the outer rim, you pull it towards you, kind of like pulling out to gather all of the trash. Yeah, you just want to, sometimes trash will fall out. Don't worry, don't stress. Just you know, you could grab it later. Right now you just kind of want to pull the bag out. Oh, freaking A. So it turns out we have stupid hippie bags that break easily. I called the local trasheria and they said to just go ahead and pull the bag out and put it in another bag. So that's what I've done here. Don't be cheap. Get some hefty. So with these trash bags, they you got some strappage. See this strap? You go ahead and pull it up like that. Then you're gonna want to twist it. Bunny, you can either do the bunny ears technique. You do 2 little bunny ears, cross them over. You grab one, the one that's behind the first one. You grab it, you go under, then over, and you pull hard like that. And that is how you cinch your bag. And then you grab hold and pull up towards you. The next step, what you want to do is you want to peek outside to see what kind of shoes you need to put on to face the elements. It's pretty bright and sunny outside, so I'm just going to put my sandals on. And these are my sandals. You slip the proper slipper onto the correct foot, and then we go ahead and we work our way outside. This part makes me nervous. One time a child was outside my door and he came at me with a knife, so I'm always a little hesitant to open the door just for that reason. But let's go ahead and we do a quick little peek. There's nobody there this time. All right. Depending on your living conditions, you might not have to go through so many dark, scary steps. I live in an apartment complex, and the trash can is in a scary alleyway. This is the part where I gotta walk outside into the trash area. Trash is over there. If I can sneak through so you can see that. You gotta make it quick because there's people that love the trash, and sometimes if you don't let go of the trash fast enough, they take your arm, whatever has like meat and stuff on it. So tough times. Let's go.
Kobe!
There you have it. 2 easy steps. Throwing out the trash. 2019.